If I'm still here 25 years from now, you come back to this church and you will tell the Lord, Mark, that Elaine was your best decision. And Elaine, you will come here again 25 years from now and tell the Lord, thank you, Mark was your best decision.
And when innocence is nowhere to be found, in you I find the cure. You're so good and pure. Everything that I love, everything that is good, everything that is right about me, I believe.
Elaine, bukal ba sa inyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Mark na iyong pagkamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
You are the best thing in my life. So thankful that you're mine. When everything fades, we'll be okay. I'll be saying you are the one thing that I need. No matter what life brings. Through the highs and the lows, I want you to know you're the best thing in my life.
Mark, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Elaine na iyong pagkamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Now I can't help but wonder what I've done to deserve someone like you. Dreams really come true. Everything that I love, everything that
Si
is.
Saint Philip Neri, ang patron saint itong simbahan, ang tinatawag na Happy Saint. Bakit po siya Happy Saint? Meron siyang magandang palaisipan. Live this day as if it were your first. Kung unang araw mo nga naman, you appreciate everything.
You are the best thing in my life. So thankful that you're mine. When everything fades, we'll be okay. I'll be saying you are the one thing that I need. No matter what life brings.
Elaine, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa ni Mark na naririto ngayon, alinsunod sa batas at mga aliduntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
Buong puso ba ang pagkakaloob mo sa kanya ng iyong sarili bilang kanyang asawa?
Opo, Padre.
Buong puso mo ba siyang tinatanggap bilang may bahay?
Opo, Padre.
Time stands still.